Hi, this is Dr. Vivek. In this video, I'll be discussing with you the 5 main causes of phlegm or extra mucus that sits in your throat or in your mouth, and you always want to split it, you want to throw it out. So what are the reasons of this extra mucus production or the phlegm production? The first reason is if you are allergic to something and it's near to you. It can be an animal, it can be dust, it can be some pollen grains, plant, anything. This will cause the irritation, and this indeed will cause more production of mucus. The second one, it's very obvious one. It is if you are having any of the respiratory condition. It can be asthma and it can be bronchitis, it can be any other infection. These things happen, they irritate, and this indeed produce more mucus, and yes, you have to, or you feel that you want to cough it out or you want to throw it out. So that's why it's not comfortable, and yes, you have to do it again and again. This is the second reason. The third one is the most interesting one. It is if there is a reflux, means the acid in your stomach, it is not going downside but it's coming upside, and this is irritating this area, and that's why your body wants to anyhow get rid of it, and you are feeling that there is lots of mucus, or there is every time you're feeling that you have to throw something out from your mouth, something is sitting on the back of your neck. This is very interesting, and it goes undiagnosed, and a person can go with this problem for many years, maybe for all of the life, thinking that all is okay, just can't understand why it's happening. The medical term for it is laryngopharyngeal reflux. So this is a medical term. In simple, it's just because of the acid that's upside and causing the irritation. The next one that I would like to discuss, it is also an interesting one. It is if there is any of the anatomical problem with the nose or the drainage of the nose, and these secretions from the nose, they are draining in the throat. Post-nasal drainage. If it's happening in your throat, then yes, you'll always feel this, that you have to cough. It's not because you have anything over here, but it is because of the nose. And a person have to do lots and lots of analysis, but it's very simple that it can be because of the nose. So these are some of the conditions. The last one that I would like to discuss, it is if a person had any of these conditions, maybe because of the infection or because of some condition, respiratory condition, the person had this, then it becomes a habit. It's the psychological. The last one is the psychological one. So it's in his psychology, and now it's his habit. And this is the worst thing, because it's not going to be diagnosed and it's in the habit, and now it will be very hard for you to get rid of it. It's not because that there is something or something is irritating. It's just because the body has been doing it for a long period of time. So it's better to know your reason. Just if you are having this problem, just have an analysis of yourself, why it's happening, and then treat the cause. This will be the real and the core treatment. I hope it made any sense. Smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.